This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2970RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 6, TV, external shower, slideout, skylight, Colorado Detector, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2970RL is 7,397 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.